how are you doing? This is your Dr. Vantara Shiva. In this video, we are going to cover 2019 JEE, which is from current electricity chapter. So, the space between two concentric conducting spheres of radii A and B, where B is greater than A, is filled with a medium of resistivity rho. Okay, the resistance between the two spheres will be. So, let us consider two spheres, concentric spheres, conducting spheres. Okay, now let us say one is of radius A, other one is of radius B. Now what is said, the space in between this A and B spheres is filled with a medium of resistivity rho. Okay, now let us consider an elementary spherical shell which is of radius x, for example, and the thickness of this guy is say dx. Okay, now generally the resistance is nothing but rho lay, or I can say rho L by A, where rho is the resistivity, L is the length of the strip. Let us say if you consider any rod like this whose length is L, whose cross sectional area is A, and resistivity is the rho is the resistivity of the material. Very good. Now I like to find the resistivity for this, so I mean small strip of thickness dx. Now for dx elemental strip, the resistivity will be is equal to dr, isn't it? So that will be rho is the material's resistivity. Okay, fine. And what about the length you need to consider? That is the dx. Dx is the thickness or maybe the current along which it will be passing through. The rho dx, and the cross sectional area, or I can say here it is a surface area. Surface or area of a sphere is 4 pi r square generally. So here it will be 4 pi x square. That's it, right? Now you want to find out the total resistance. So if I take many such small strips and if I integrate all of them, if I integrate all these drs, I'll get the total resistance. That will be is equal to rho dx by 4 pi x square. So now if I can see, rho by 4 pi is actually a constant. So I can take out of the integration. So integral dx by x square. So 1 by x square dx integration is nothing but minus 1 by x. Now what about the limits of this guy? So basically the medium of resistivity is starting at a distance of A and ending at a distance of B. So I can take the limits of x as A to B. So rho by 4 pi. Whenever we have minus in the then you can take lower limits. We can substitute lower limit first. Then that will be 1 by A minus we can substitute upper limit later. Direct substitution. So this is the answer for this question. Isn't it easy? Yes. Let us take a little more tough question where we have variation in the resistivity. Are you ready? Yes. Here is the question. Basically, the figure shows a conductor of length L. This is the conductor of length L, having a cross sectional area, having a circular cross section basically. So yeah, this is a circular cross section. The radius of the cross section varies linearly as you are going along the length. The radius is going to vary from A to B. So initially it is A, and at the end of the day it is actually becoming B. Okay, when you are traveling from starting L is equal to x is equal to 0 to x is equal to L. Understand? Now the resistivity of the material is rho. The material is made up of resistivity rho. Now assuming that B minus A is very much less than L. So if you see the difference between this B and A is very much less than L. So now we need to find the resistance of the conductor. Shall we start the question? Yes. So similarly, like we have done in the previous problem, you can also take a strip here. The strip, small strip, should be in the form of the kind of cylinder. Okay. So here, if you see this radius of this strip is say r. Okay. Elemental cylinder you can say. Okay. So whose radius is r, and which is actually has been taken. You can consider this at a distance of x, whose thickness is again dx. Understand? Now If this is R, this is A, if I consider one horizontal line, let me write properly. If I consider any horizontal line, okay, so let me consider this as theta. What is that? Theta here, and this distance will be what? If total distance is R and this distance is A, then this will be R minus A. And if I see this, what about this distance? Total distance is B, and out of which I am reducing A, isn't it? This will be B minus A. This will be, let me write it here, B minus A. And now, if I consider a triangle from this triangle, this is very small, but let me extend it a little bit so that you can see clearly. So this is theta, this is R minus A, and what about this length? You are considering that at a distance x, isn't it? So one more triangle is there. That triangle is a triangle where theta is here, and this side, opposite side of this guy is nothing but B minus A, and the length, when this adjacent side of this triangle is nothing but length of the system given body. Okay, now from this can I say tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, R minus A by x. Here once more time, let me take tan theta. So both, I mean, this is also, this will be opposite side B minus A by L. So I can equate both of them, isn't it? Both of them are like actually similar triangles. From there, the tan thetas will also be same. So I can equate both of them. R minus A by x is equal to B minus A by L. Okay, let me take from this equation, let me write R minus A is equal to B minus A by L into x. I am taking this x to the other side. Then from this, let me take R. R is equal to A plus B minus A by L into x. Is that clear? Yes. Now for this elemental strip, the corresponding resistance will be dr, let us say. So just now we have discussed R is equal to rho A. Rho A means rho L into rho L by rho L divided by A. Now dr is equal to rho dx divided by pi r square. Very good. So why it is a pi r square? See, it is the length. The length of the strip is actually dx, and the area of this guy is nothing but pi times r square, isn't it? It's a kind of circular cross section. That's what has been given in the question itself. So circular cross section. That's why I have considered rho dx by pi r square. Very good. Now what about this r? R is nothing but whole this. Let me write. So let me take this. If I take many such drs, many such strips whose resistances are actually dr. So the total resistance is equal to integral dr. Okay. Now this is nothing but rho dx divided by pi r square. So now if I substitute r, if I take this r and substitute it here, then I'll get everything in terms of x. Then my job is easy. I can do the integration without any problem. Now let me take rho is common here, and pi is also constant here, so I can take common. So Tx divided by, what is r square? A plus P minus A by L into x. Okay, and that has to be squared. It's like integral 1 by x square dx. What is the formula? Minus 1 by x. Here whatever is the coefficient of x, that should be coming in the denominator. Understand? That's it. Rho by pi. Now what about the integration of this guy? Minus 1 by a plus b minus a by L into x. Okay. So that's it. Now whatever the coefficient of x is there, that will be coming in the denominator. Let me write that term as is supposed to get by divided by b minus a by L. So I am writing this as L by b minus a. Understand? So what about the limits of this x here? That is the question, right? Yes. Let us get let us think about this. So basically, if you take this x is going from, if you take x value from x is equal to 0, and this is ending at x is equal to L, isn't it? That's it. X is equal to 0 to x is equal to L. So let me substitute 0 to L. So since again you have minus here, minus, so I can substitute lower limit first, rho by pi into, if I substitute lower limit first, then 1 by a plus 0, isn't it? If I substitute 0 here, all this term will be 0, minus 1 by a plus, here b minus a, let me write one more step, b minus a by L into, and in the place of x I need to substitute L, this L, that L gets cancelled, into L by b minus a, understand? So rho by pi into 1 by a minus this a, and you are left with a plus b minus a. So this a and this a also gets cancelled once again. You will get 1 by b. So this is nothing but L by b minus a. So let me write it here. So r is equal to rho by pi. Okay. So the limits, I mean, if you just take the LCM, that will be AB, this will be B minus A, and you need to multiply with L by B minus A here. So B minus A gets cancelled, then your job is done. The resistance R is equal to rho L by pi AB. These two questions are actually very nice questions and interesting, isn't it? Comment below. Thank you.